Hi, hello all. I'm Soumya. I'm working as assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in SNS College of Technology. Now my students are going to discuss a case study about designing a hospital patient monitoring dashboard using design thinking approach. Now I'm going to discuss about background. A large hospital is struggling to manage the patient care effectively due to the slow text-heavy reports, and doctors, nurses, and administrators spend too much time manually going through spreadsheets to check the critical data. Real-time patient vitals like heartbeat and blood pressure and oxygen level and ICU bed occupancy, then patient admission and discharge trends, and patient recovery rates, alerts for critical patient conditions. The hospital wants a data visualization dashboard that provides the real-time, easy-to-understand visuals to improve the decision-making, patient outcomes, and operational efficiency. The development team applies the design thinking process, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Now my students will discuss these 5 phases.
Hello all, now I am going to tell about the first phase in design thinking, that is empathy. From doctor's perspective, they need quick access to real-time vitals, for example, heart rate, oxygen levels, but many say current systems are too slow or complicated. For example, Dr. Kumar mentions when a patient's oxygen level suddenly drops, I should immediately see it, not spend 5 minutes navigating spreadsheets. In nurse perspective, nurses often work under pressure. They want clear, color-coded alerts when a patient enters a critical condition, so they can respond immediately. For example, Nurse Anita says, I can't afford to miss a patient's low BP alert during a night shift. From hospital admin's perspective, they want to track overall hospital performance, bed occupancy rates, admissions per month, recovery trends, etc. Mr. Rao, the admin head, explains we must know which departments are overloaded and where resources should be allocated next. In family members' perspective, though not the primary dashboard users, simple visual summaries could help family members track their loved ones regularly. Hello all, now I'm going to explain about the design thinking phase. The team Hello all, now I'm going to explain about the define phase. The team frames the problem as how might we design a dashboard that shows real-time patient vitals, alerts critical conditions, monitor hospital capacity, and helps medical staff take action fast. They avoid vague definitions like visualize hospital data because it leads to unfocused visualization. Users got overwhelmed by too many charts. Example for poor definitions. Just showing a tables of numbers does not help anyone to take quick decision during emergencies.
Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain the idea phase in DT. The team brainstorm with filtering ideas like line chart, bar chart, heat map, bar chart, and color code and alter plan. First, I explain the line chart. It shows the patient heart rate over the last 24 hours. And bar chart shows the current oxygen level with green normal and yellow warming and red critical. And heat map is display the ICU bed occupancy state by watt. And bar chart is monthly trend or admissions versus discharge to monitor the capacity. And color code alter plan is altered in red, yellow, green for patient stability. Additional creative ideas are use the icon, heart, length, etc. to represent each vital signs instead of only the numbers. Animated choice to show how ICU bed occupancy change over the time. A filter to show only the critical patient to help the rules focus. Hello everyone, I am going to talk about the next phase in DT, which is prototype. The team creates a basic dashboard markup. First one, a top real-time vital stats display as dodges plus line chart. Left, color-coded alerts panel. Center, heat map showing ICU bed occupancy. Bottom, bar chart of monthly admission versus discharge. Key design principles used: clean layout without clutter,
consistent color coding, green normal, yellow warning, red critical. Simple filters. Example, by what? Department, patient ID.
The final phase in design thinking is testing. User feedback and improvements. Feedback from actual users during testing. Doctor, can I compare today's vitals to last week's ECG? Add comparison line chart feature. Nurse, it's helpful to have color coded alerts, but sound notifications would help me during busy shifts. Prototype updated to include audible alerts. From admin, we need department level filters to view only ICU or general ward. Filter added.
Now I'm going to conclude this case study. Design thinking makes sure the right rituals are built for the right people, not just flashy charts that are ignored here. It focuses on simplicity, clarity, and usefulness, especially in critical environments like hospitals. Thank you.